I got NeoLifts here. Love the NeoLifts. See if this one still has good motors like he used to. It's a bit dark in here. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's the clock in here, not flashing real life. It's just the camera. I'm still getting used to my new phone. Let's go down to S1. S1, S1, S2. Oh, there we go. This one's locked. And yeah, so here's the cab. It's actually quite big for I think it's the average size residential tower. And one ground, basement 2. Actually, it's above. It's one of these weird places that have the basement 1 below 2. We can't go to basement 1 again. Back in February, I mean, it was unlocked. So, better I'll finish this at 8 again. Oh, we can always ride. Yeah. Classic NeoLift to operator sound. I love it. Yeah, let's go back down to ground and might catch the other one. Yeah, this is the entire cab. I think it's not great, but it's not bad either. It's quite fitting. Maintained by Schindler. Here's the serial number. Here's this one. Yeah, this one of the ones that has the right clock and temperature sensor. Oh, I got to ride this one too. Yeah, we can go up here. Nice motor too. Hello again, 8-4. Oh, this one goes down to basement 1. Yeah, there it is. Here's the cab. It's the same as the other one, just mirror. They're in pairs, but not on the same controller, weirdly. Yeah. They're making this little sound again. I can't see it. To ground. It's 380. Yeah, this motor, the motor in these NeoLifts, it's the one they use in more residential installs. these medium scale installs, the newer one, I think the other ones. Yeah. Some reason 5 keeps on flashing. Yeah, it seems on those NeoLifts. And there's the other one.